purple and red.
Today, hypochondria.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Here are the current news. In the Middle East, a new sickness has been detected. There are already more than 50 victims, and it seems right now that more will infect even more civilians. Oh my god, this is really worrying.
Hey, come on, Vidalis is not so close to us. Bacteria cannot move so fast.
How can you be so sure about that?
Well, they have no personal data yet.
But seriously, as poor people, I can imagine they are scared about the idea of contracting this sickness.
Better them than us.
You're right. But it is not so simple for hypochondriacs like me.
Oh, come on. Everyone has to die. Doesn't matter if causing an illness or because you've been run over by a herd of cows.
You can recognize the sickness with the symptoms are enlarged pupils, dry mouth and lips, and... Why did you close the TV?
I didn't want you to hear the last thing.
Well, why? What is it? Tell me.
Well, how shall I tell you? It's just... let's say that the body turns purple like...
Mine?
Vauhtimesta hurinoon Ankka linna. Aina täynnä säpinä on Ankka linna. Arvoitus raukee